How to add Conda environment to jupyter-lab. I'm using jupyter-lab and I'm having trouble to add Conda environment. The idea is to launch jupyter-lab from my base environment and then to be able to choose my other Conda ends as kernels. I installed the package nb_conda_kernels, which is supposed to do just that, but it's not working as I want. Indeed, let's assume I create a new Conda environment, then I launch jupyter-lab from base. I can't see the new environment as an available kernel. I have found a fix, which works every time but is not convenient at all. If I install Jupyter-Notebook in my new environment, then launch a Jupyter-Notebook from this new environment, close it, go back to base environment, and then launch jupyter-lab from base environment, my new environment is available as a kernel in jupyter-lab. If you know how to make it work without this fix, I would be very grateful.
Assuming your Conda env is named senv, it is as simple as if you restart your Jupyter-Notebook/lab, you will be able to see the new kernel available. For newer versions of Jupyter, kernel will appear without restarting the instance. Just refresh by pressing F5. PS, if you are using virtualenv etc., the above steps hold good.
A solution using nb_conda_kernels. First, install it in your base environment. Then, in order to get a kernel for the conda_env, you will get a new kernel named Python, conda env column senv in your next run of jupyter-lab/jupyter-notebook. Note, if you have installed nb_conda_kernels and want to create a new Conda environment and have it accessible right away, then will do the job.
I tried both of the above solutions and they didn't quite work for me. Then I encountered this Medium article which solved it, this URL. Essentially, after running conda install ipkernel inside of your senv environment, it is also good to run python ipkernel install user name senv within the senv environment. That way, we make sure that the version of Python that is used within the Jupyter environment is the one in senv. Cheers!
I couldn't get Conda environment to show up in jupyter-lab as well, and for me worked only this. Assuming as above, senv as environment name. Conda activate senv. Conda install ipkernel. Python ipkernel install user name equals senv.
If you want to support the channel, please send it a like and subscribe.